Swipe down from the top of the screen. Go to Settings. Scroll down and tap Backup and Reset. Tap Open Smart Switch. Select the type of phone you wish to transfer data from. We will select Android device. Tap Start. Then tap Receive. On your old phone, open Samsung Smart Switch Mobile. If you're not transferring files from a Samsung phone, or if your phone doesn't have Samsung Smart Switch Mobile installed, you will need to download it from the Play Store. Tap Android device on your old phone. Tap Start, then tap Send. Select the items you would like to send to your new phone. Tap Send. Then tap Receive on your new phone. When the files have finished transferring, tap Close App on your old phone. Then, tap Close App on your new phone.